AI-powered LLM applications are making their way into the enterprises, medium-sized businesses, and all sort of corporations out there. But still, there is not much information and tooling available when it comes to AI observability. When we say AI observability or LLM observability, it means the ability to monitor, analyze, and understand the behavior, performance, and internal processes of a large language model. It covers various techniques and tools used to gain insights into how the LLM operates, how it makes predictions or generates text, and how it responds to different inputs. Observability in LLMs typically involves tracking metrics related to model performances such as accuracy, fluency, and coherence, as well as examining internal model activations, attention patterns, and other intermediate representations to gain a deeper understanding of the model's decision making process. Additionally, LLM observability may involve logging and analyzing interactions with the models in production systems or research environments to identify potential issues, biases, or areas of improvement. Overall, LLM observability plays a real important role in ensuring transparency, accountability, and trustworthiness in AI systems. But as I said, this area is still quite nascent. That is why I'm always on the lookout for good tools which will provide us AI observability. And Arize AI is one such tool. There are few others in the market, but this tool also enables you to monitor, troubleshoot, and evaluate your large language models. It also deals with task based LLM evaluation. For example, you can easily evaluate task performance on hallucinations, relevance, user frustration, toxicity, and truthfulness. And that is why you can gain deeper insights with evaluation explanations to debug and troubleshoot LLM evals. You can also troubleshoot LLM traces and spans, which is another thing. And it also gives you support for LangChain, Llama Index, and Llama Hotel tracing options. And the advantage is that you can find performance bottlenecks in each step and the entire system. It also enables you to diagnose retrieval and RAG workflows. RAG is simply retrieval augmented generation, and that in at a very high level, in simple words, provides more context to the models. So for example, when you ask something from a model, you can also provide it some more augmented text which comes through RAG, and that enables the model to answer your query in a specific context. And this tool Arize also quickly identifies missing context in your knowledge base to improve chat performance. Other than that, there is also a lot of good things around prompt iteration and troubleshooting, and it also surfaces prompt templates associated with your poor responses. You can easily iterate on prompt templates and compare their performance in prompt playground, which is provided by Arise. Now, there are a lot of other things around ML observability too, like faster root cause analysis, automated model monitoring, embedding and cluster evaluation, dynamic dashboard, and a lot of other things. You can sign up with your email account, and once you sign up and log in, you'll be presented with this dashboard. Now, you can explore some of the demo models, or you could try out some of the workflows. When we say workflows, that means something like if you're having issues with your embeddings, you can troubleshoot them. Embeddings are simply vector representation of your data, which are stored in the vector store, and they are mainly used when it comes to retrieval augmented generation. And then you can also check out the drift tracing, so which enables you to drift trace a model to find and resolve the root cause of the model's current drift when it deviates from what it expected to do. A lot of other things are here, as you can see on your screen model monitoring, and then some of the performance tracing. Let me make it a bit bigger. Okay, this is better. Now, let's explore some of the demo models. Maybe we will just try out this workflow of model monitoring. So I clicked on it, and it says that we need to create the monitors, and monitoring is critical to catching performance. degradation of key metrics, and surfacing unknown issues. Yep. So, so it says that, okay, so it is just, I'll just cancel it, or you can um, do the workflow, and this is actually quite helpful if you're using it first time. Now, from here, you can see that these are some of the monitors here. You can create your own, or you can create a drift monitor, data quality monitor, performance monitor. A lot of good options are there. I'm just going to go with the existing one. So let's go with this Formula One of F1. Formula One is happening these days in Melbourne, Australia. Okay, anyway, so this F1, so this is the last monitor it ran. This is a performance monitor, and this is the Arize demo fraud detection use case, which it is checking. So, and you can see that here there is a threshold, and it is showing you the whole traffic which is progressing, and the evaluation window is for 72 hours, as you can see from this range. You can zoom in, zoom out from here, and then you can also view on performance tracing. So if I click on it, then this is the performance tracking. The graphics are awesome. And you can see that there is a lot of histograms which are distributed data into the buckets, and it has sorted it with the feature importance. If you want to drill down, you can check the feature detail by clicking on it. And as you can see, this is very, very domain specific. This is only for fraud detection use case. There you go. So you can see that what it has done here. This is a sliding window, which I'm more than sure you can drag and drop, or you can zoom out. And there are a lot of other graphs which you can drill down from here. Okay, so let me go back to dashboards. I haven't created a dashboard. You can create your own. These are the monitors. We just saw one. And then there's a model tree for annual income, percent empty for merchant risk score, and a lot of other things. Now, um, of course, you can just click on new monitor. And if I say select a model, I'll just say, okay, maybe Arise demo fairness, continue to monitor. And then from here, it is loading the data. Once it loads the data, you can check out different things. For example, I just click on day here, and then it will readjust the graph. And these are the settings on the right hand side. So you can just select the auto threshold. These are the notification. You can just send it to um, you know any other service, or you can send it to email. So if I select to my email, and then you can put out the some of the notes there. So as soon as it meets that threshold, it is greater than 2, or whatever the value you propose, it is going to send you the threshold. I'm not going to create it at the moment. And then you can upload your own data if you like, and look at the number of integrations you have. You have Python script, Java, Amazon AWS S3 bucket, Google Azure Storage, Google BigQuery. Lot of stuff is there, which is amazing. You can also use your SDK. So for example, if I click on Python single record, then this is how you install it. So pip install Arize, and this is a simple Python code which you can use in order to start using it. And this is where you can get your keys, space key and API key, because both of them will be needed when you are putting in your code here in this one. Amazing stuff. So that's it, guys. This was a quick overview of this Arize for AI observability and LLM evaluation platform. I will drop the link to it in video description. Let me know what do you think, and if you like it, then share your experience in the comments, and even if you don't like it, do share it. And this is a pricing which you can check out at your leisure. Doesn't seem too expensive to me, especially this one. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.